In this video we want to compare a cheaper AnazonBasics foam roller with a higher priced one from Blackroll. Both are available at Amazon. You can find the product links in the video description below. A foam roller is good for training to reduce or prevent back pain. Let us start with the AnazonBasics roller. It can give a massage while stretching and straightening your muscles back to the position they used to be. This one here is 12 inches long. You can get the Blackroll also in 18 inches length. Let us open it and have a look at its material and texture. The foam is slightly soft, like you can see. Let's quickly test it and see it in action. This is an example exercise for your legs. And here we got the more expensive version from Blackroll. This Blackroll box includes 4 different exercise tools. We bought this box at Amazon. You can find the article link below this video. Each tool can be bought separately too. If you buy them in a box, you get a bundle price, which makes it a bit cheaper. We gonna show you each part separately in detail in its texture with one quick way to use it. Okay, let us have a close look at each tool, including a short example to use it on your legs. This is a Blackroll Duoball. It is pretty hard. This is an example exercise for your leg. This is a small roller. It is very hard too. This is an example exercise. You can, for example, roll your foot with it. This is a small Blackroll ball. You can roll your foot with it for a massaging effect. And last but not least, the big roller. It is really light but still very stable. It is perfect for rolling your legs or back to reduce sore legs or back pain. Here are some exercises recommended by the manufacturer. To see the differences between both roller, we are comparing them next to each other. The shape is different at the edges. The AnazonBasics roller is solid. The Blackroll roller has a hole in the middle. Both roller are having about the same hardness. Both roller are slightly sticky at the top. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.